Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you all controls and gestures for your earbuds Plantronics Backbeat Pro. So the touch area is located at the back side of each earbud. Right here we have a wheel and right here we have the wheel. Now I will put it to my ear, then play some sound. If you press one time at your left earbud, if you tap at your left earbud, you will increase the volume. And as you can see at this widget, I just increased the volume. To lower it, you need to press and hold at your left earbud. And as you can see, I just lower it. If you press one time at your right earbud, you will play or pause the song. So I just press one time. As you can see, I just pause it. And I press again and I will play a song. If you press two times at your right earbud, you will play next track. Here we go. And if you press three times, you will play previous track. 1, 2, 3. And it works. Also, we can call voice assistant with this earbud. And you need to press and hold at your right earbud. Now let's check it. Is it work? Okay, I just turned off these headphones, but it should work. So maybe I will turn on them. Let's try to do this again. Did we have connection? Yes, we have. So press and hold. And as you can see, I just call Gemini. If you do not set up Gemini, and you will maybe call Google Assistant, or if you have Samsung, you will call Bixby. Also, we have something what called MyTab, and we need to use an application to add some features here. So you need to open a Backbeat app. Then, of course, you need to add your earbuds to the app. You will see the same menu, and you need to go to the settings at the right top. So firstly, you can go to the switch primary earbud, and right here, as you can see, we have this MyTab at the left earbud. Let's switch it to the right, but I guess I need to turn on the left earbud. So, did we have the left one? Okay, just give me a second. I do nothing, it just reconnect. Okay, so let's go to the switch primary earbud, and by default you use it with the right earbud. I just change it to the left, but you can also use it with the left one. And then to MyTab, click at the tab. Firstly, we need to add it for the single press. You can select the best one for you. I wanna use timer with it. You can click at the edit and set a time. Then click done. And for the double press, let's say I wanna call also voice assistant. So let's check it. I tap one time at my right earbud. And as you can see, I just started. To finish, you need to tap again. And now let's check double tap. 1, 2. And I again call my voice assistant. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.